Hi, you're welcome back to class. How you doing? You're fine. Yes, you've really tried. I really commend your effort on the very first class, second, third, and this is the fourth one. You guys have really been doing well. I've seen your result, and I'm really amazed. And I must tell you, no matter how it looks, you really did well because what took me months to get, you got it within one day, just by somebody showing you. That is the effect of somebody leading you into something. Are you getting it? So when somebody directs you and you have direct access to that person, you tend to learn more. That's why sometimes I advise people, if you really want to learn graphics, look for somebody that will teach you and will be with you. Because some people go to YouTube. I had a friend and he wanted to learn. So he went to YouTube, he said, no problem, I've gotten the test. Later on, he came to me one day. I asked him, "How far? I've not been seeing you." He said, "I'm tired. I've watched and watched. I'm done. Watch, I'm still confused." Now, that is because one, most of those YouTube videos are just meant to get views and subscribers. If you really want to learn it, they will still tell you to come to their DM because that is where they will be taking you personally, and that is why I had to make this group, this what's it called, this class a personal class because I want to assess how far or how well you know how to um, get things. So on the master class, I will now be taking you based on your kind of person, like one on one, just the same way we did this one. So straight, no talking. Let's just go straight to the video now. The what's it called? The class for today, which is just like a carousel. A carousel is something you do once a while to just engage your customers through feelings. Put something that they can relate with and put your business into that thing. Now you're going to see how this thing works. It works like magic. It works like magic. And it really converts and it gives your clients this kind of perspective about your business. They see you as much more serious and sincere person who really want to make business. Now, simple, let's go. So once you come into the video, the first thing you need to do is to download the materials. I used to say download the materials. Once you click here, you come to my DM. You locate my DM. Oh, sorry. Locate my DM. First, you download the materials. So here are the materials for the class. All you don't need to do is to click the four of them and click on download. Once you download, it downloads directly. So what you need to do is to come to Pixellab. You meet Pixellab like this. So straight come to the text fonts, delete. We're going to be a little bit fast here because I want you to actually follow through. Now you delete. Now the size is something that we're going to change. We're going to adjust it to let's say let's use 3. Let's use 3. So it should be 3. So it's cool like this. Then let's import the things we've downloaded. Now, first thing first is the background. You pull to the so you pull till it covers through. Come to your relative position, place it well. Then remember to lock. After locking, the next thing is to create your alignment or margin line. See, we are done now. So what we need to bring in is this circle. Take it to this corner. See, it's touching the other margin line. Bring in the ice cream. Lock. Oh, sorry. Now, I mistakenly deleted it. So whenever you mistakenly do anything, what you need to do is to just click on this back button. to bring it back. You see, it's taking everything back to where I kept it initially. Let me, that effect is to take everything back to how you started. If I keep on clicking back, it will take everything off this background. So you lock the both. Let's increase this a little. Lock. You lock it. So next thing is you bring in the logo. So the function of carousel is to use something that your customers can relate with and speak to them, speaking about your brand as you engage them through their feelings. So this is set now. So there's one other effect I want you to know how to use is to merge your work. That's we want to merge this cycle with this ice cream together. We want to combine them. Like want them to be together. So what you need to do is once you open your layer, click here. It displays like this. Then mark one, two. The two things you want to merge together, those are the two things you should mark. If you mark this logo, it will merge it. So we want to just merge only those two. So you come here again to click on this. This is what I did. We made it like this. You click here, it brings out this effect. You click one, two, you mark. Then you click on the merge. Then you click on OK. Wait for a minute. So it's done. So what we need to do next is to now resize it. You know, the both are now together now. We need to resize it so it will be okay. Then you place it on the center, bring it down a little, take it to that corner. So lock, lock it. The reason why you have to lock your work most times is because when you merge, sorry, the reason why you need to merge your work sometimes is so that it will give it this kind of sweet touch. Are you getting it? And it will make it easy for you to move instead of you moving it one. But when you merge it, you can move the both at once. So let's type something. Let's type I'm into jewelry, I'm into fashion now. Let me type jewelries. You need to type your own. If you're into clothing, if you're into shoes, if anything, whatever you're into food, you are into whatever business you are into, eh, you type that kind of thing into it. This is what I'm doing here. Jewelry, if you're into what's anything, jewelries, jewelries are like ice cream. You know, the ice cream is already here. Now, this is why I am advising everyone to take the masterclass because on the masterclass, I will teach you how to import fonts like this. This ice cream font, it's all on Pixellab, but it's not it didn't come with Pixellab, but you can import it into Pixellab. And I have all of them at my beck and call. I have over 5,000 of them. If you get the masterclass, I'll be giving you everything for free. And I'll also hold you by hand and teach you how to actually install it. I like ice cream. You can you can never you can never have enough. Reduce it to 20. Let it be underneath that ice cream. Say jewelries are like ice cream. You can never have enough. Now, what this is doing is you're trying to engage your customers' feeling. You're trying to link ice cream, which they know, with jewelries. Now, when you have a consistent brand carousel, what you are doing to your clients is you're trying to engage their daily or things they do on a daily basis into your business. So whenever they do that thing, they tend to remember your business. They tend to remember your business. And when they are remembering that particular thing about your business, they will be remembering you. Now, that is why you need to build your brand. Building a brand is not just doing designs casually. It is following a trend so that when they think about a particular thing, they think about you. Me personally now, all the people that view my status, whenever they think about designs, getting quality designs, they think about me. I get lots of customers on a daily basis because I build a trend. My postings are always on point. Every day I post something. I have my own carousels too that I do once in a while. I use energy, I use every other means to engage them. I can also do something like this. Designs. Let's professional designs are like ice cream. You say it's professional designs are like ice cream. You can never have enough of them. You can never have enough. So you need to keep on having and having. Shoes are like ice cream. You can never have enough. Bags are like ice. So you use anything that you are into to actually make this. And this particular part, this end in here, if you don't have a logo, then you have to type your name, but make it very brief at that corner, please. It should be very simple. Then at the bottom here, you can come at the bottom here and type something like um, happy weekend. Let's change the font. I think I don't really like the font they have here on Pixellab. They don't have some kind of unusual font that will make your work look really good. Okay, remember we had one class where we used a particular kind of font that actually made already material. So let's use that particular one. Here is it. Locate it. If you attended that class, you have to locate it. That's why I make sure that everybody attended that class. You see you see the way this font gave that design another kind of cool look. Can make this one. No, let's make it weekend. Stuff like this will be cool on weekend. You can use anything, you can use any word. Are you getting it? And I will also be teaching you on a master class how you can get images like this without background, and how you can also create your own images without background. Many of the images you see me create, I created them here on Pixellab. I know how to make them without background, and they will be very neat. You see it? So you can no, let's put it at this edge. Put it at this edge. Make it small. Shouldn't be too bold. Shouldn't be too bold. Should be just be brief. Then at this very last place, let's add something orange. Now you may not really use orange per se. Depends on the color you want to use as your logo. But me, I will advise you follow suit what I did here. When you become familiar, then you can begin to improvise. What I use there is orange. Not like orange, just like yellow. But this one is kind of yellow sha. Then you bring it down. Then we'll bring in text. No, sorry. Instead of us bringing new text, let's just copy this one. Copy. then your phone number 0610 60 98. Space it, and you can type your Instagram or IG handle. Prime fashion. So remember what we used to do is to bring out, type WhatsApp slash call. Now, so on the master class, I'll be teaching you how to bring in um call what's it called? Call WhatsApp and call icon. Now you don't need to download them. They are all fonts. They are all fonts. That once you have them, you always use them and you save them on preset. So like I will make everything so easy for your business that all you just need to do IG slash FB. But mainly I want you to focus here and just do at least, it should just look like my own. You see, it's done. So something like this, you post it at least once a week when you have them. Then we can now merge this. Oh, sorry. Let me use my jewelries, the initial thing I used. Jewelries, jewelries. Sorry. Jewelries. Oh, what's going on? Jewelries are like crazy size. You notice what I did there? I didn't use the size effect again. That's when you become familiar with the app, you can do anything. So, but for now, take it one step at a time. You see it? Let's merge it together so we can move them together. You see, they are not. They are now all together. Let's bolding it a little, bring it down. This one, let's increase it a little. Now, simple and straight. Let's offer our data to save our work. Sorry, please just focus and do something like this. Please do not be too fast. Just be calm and help me do something like this. Save it as image. It's done. You see how cool it is? It's something you could do for your business once a week, and I will teach you where you can be getting carousels like this. Like where you can go based on your kind of business and get catchy carousels like this, or what's it called? Contents like this. Then always make something like this for your business once a while, maybe once in a week or two. Like just make something always like that. So that is all. Thanks for watching. Bye.